Hello friends, welcome to Naruza's CC tutorial. Today I have come with another example on POset hash diagram. So starting with the next example, and that is let n row be a POset where n is set of all natural numbers and row stands for divisibility. The first question, state which one of the following two subsets of n are linearly or totally ordered. And the following two subsets are A consists of these four elements and B consists of these three elements. Find the maximal and minimal element of A and B. Find the greatest and least element of A and B. So let's get started with the solution. So starting with the first one, the set A consists of 2, 8, 32 and 4. And this set is totally ordered or linearly ordered because from the definition of linearly or totally ordered set, for any two elements A, B, we have A row B or B row A. Means here the row is nothing but the relation, and the relation here is divisibility. So either A will divide B or B will divide A on that set, and that set will be linearly ordered. So if we pick the set A consists of 2, 8, 32 and 4. Let's pick any two element like 2 and 4. Here 2 will divide 4 obviously because 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Or then if we pick 8 or 32, 8 will divide 32 because 8 into 4 is equal to 32. So for any two element A row B or B row A, either A will divide B or B will divide A, but not both, because 8 will divide 32, but 32 can't divide 8 because 32 is bigger than 8, but 8 will divide 32. So either A row B or B row A means either any of one condition will satisfy and that set will be linearly ordered. Now the set B 3, 15 and 20 is not linearly ordered because 3 can't divide 20 or 20 never divide 3. So this set is not linearly ordered. Again I am saying I have an entire lecture session on linearly or totally ordered set. You can, if you have any doubt on linearly or totally ordered set, you can go through that lecture and make your concept clear. Now maximal element of A is 32 because if we draw the hash diagram of A, we can clearly see that no other element will succeed 32. So that is why 32 will be the maximal element of A. And for B, 20 is the maximal element, and minimal element of B is equal to 3 because no other element has been preceded 3, and for A, minimal element will be 2. And if you have any doubt on maximal and minimal element concept, then you can go through my entire lecture session on maximal and minimal element, so your concept will be clear. And there is a very simple explanation on maximal and minimal element. Okay? Now the greatest element of A is 32 because we can divide 32 by all other element of A, and B has no greatest element because we can't divide 20 by 3 or 20 by 15. So B has not any greatest element, and 2 is the least element of A because we can divide all other elements by 2, and B has not any least element because And if you have any doubt on greatest or least element, you can go through on my greatest and least element concept lecture. There has been a very clear explanation of greatest and least element. So here I've been ending my video on maximal, minimal, greatest, least, upper bound, lower bound, supremum and infimum. And I have shared enough lectures on these topics as well as examples on POset and hash diagram. Now I'll be starting my next lecture sessions on lattice. Until then, thank you everyone to keep intact with my channel. And if you have any doubt, please do write me on my lecture sections. And please like my videos, comment on those videos, subscribe my channel. Please, so I will be sharing more and more videos. And thank you.